Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is April. Today we're going to unbox Stitch Fix. It's a clothing subscription service that you're assigned a stylist, and they pick out the clothes they send to you based on an online survey that you fill out, and also they can look at your Instagram, your Pinterest, your Facebook, and see what styles you really want. And you could also send them a personalized note with special requests and just telling them a little bit more about yourself so they can pick out your clothes for you. So for Stitch Fix, my sister gave me a $50 gift certificate, thank you Carla, to try it out. This is actually the third time I've tried out Stitch Fix. I was not too happy with the last two times I've tried it out, so I canceled it, but third time's the charm. We're gonna figure out if we are gonna keep anything this time around. So let's get to it. First thing we tried out is this blouse. It's the Felipa pearl strap detail blouse. And this is, my size is extra small. And you can see the pearls on the straps there, as the title says. This is a 100% polyester blouse. So what did I think? I am a very simple person, so I do like that it's just all white and black. What I don't like is how low it gets in my cleavage. I don't really have anything to work with here, and so I don't really wear cleavage type clothes, and it was very loose on me, so it wasn't a good fit. And these pearl things on the top, I'm just afraid that they're going to fall if I put a jacket on or anything, or they're just gonna get snagged. I mean, it is pretty, but it's just not my style. I'm not flashy like that. I don't wear a lot of jewelry, and I'm just scared that it's just going to fall apart as soon as I get it. This one is a miss for me. The cost for this was $48, so it's a pretty good price if someone did decide to keep it, which I'm not. The second one we tried on is the Fara Peplum blouse. The only thing I like about this is the way it feels. It feels like a nice quality fabric. I don't like the pattern of it. It's a little too busy for me, and the ruffles, I'm just not a ruffles type person. I like wearing just simple colors, just plain simple things. That's what I actually asked for. I said classic, simple, plain colors. I didn't really get that. I don't know what I could have said more. But this one's a little too loose for me, so even if I liked it, I couldn't get it because it's too thick. But a caveat for that, there was a lot of clothes actually don't fit me because I'm very small. I'm usually zero petite. I know it's very hard to find clothes for me to begin with, so I'm not blaming anyone who actually tries to get me clothes. So that one was a Collective Concepts Fara Peplum blouse, and that one was $54. And then it was an extra small petite, and it still doesn't fit me. I don't know what the hell clothes I'm gonna wear ever. I should shop in the kids section, but like the largest kids that you could find that has my torso size is just too wide, so anyway, blah blah blah, complaining about not finding clothes, that's fine. The next thing that we tried on is Daniel RAINN Ferraro split neck blouse. This one feels really nice as well. And this is also 100% polyester. I guess the theme is I like polyester clothes, just not the styles that they sent me. So this one, I actually had to laugh as soon as I put this on. It's actually way too busy for me. What is this, like a Rorschach test? Is it like one of those magic eye books from back in the 90s where if you look really closely, a dolphin's gonna come at you? And it also looks like one of my grandma's nurses would wear, or actually something my grandma would wear. So I'm sorry, this is not my style. maybe in like 50 years I'll wear something like this. It's just like way too big. It feels like a tent on me as well. So sizing, style, you know, and then it also has that split neck in the front. Again, I don't like showing anything with my cleavage because I don't have any cleavage. You gotta work with what you got, and that's not what I got. Yeah, that was a miss, big miss, so sorry. Although I like polyester, that's what I'm gleaning from this experience. That one was $68. I don't know who would pay $68 for that, but you never know. The next one is a Tarte Kearsley knit blazer. 65% rayon, 30% cotton, 5% spandex. And this one actually looked nice. So I like the way it looked on me. I like the little collar, this like gray polka dot design that they had. I thought that was a really good pop of something different. I like the folded up sleeves look. I thought it looked very cool and it was comfortable. The only thing with it is like the outside fabric was comfortable, but the inside where my arms were just like really scratchy, and it just made my skin feel dry. So although I liked the way it looked, I didn't like the way it felt, and I could just see myself taking it off immediately as soon as I put it on. And this one was actually the most expensive one in my box. It was $128, so I really could not justify keeping it just for the looks. I mean, it's $128, but I felt like the quality didn't feel like $128, if you know what I mean. Like, I just wish it was better fabric, I guess. So yeah, sorry, that also was a miss for me. So this whole box it's just not working out for me right now. The last thing is underneath the blazer, actually is the last thing that I tried on. It's the James Perse long knit white tank. This one is 84% cotton, 6% lycra. Yeah, so this is mostly cotton. It feels nice. I like the way it fit. It is like very form-fitting, so you could totally see that it fit me. And I like the way the fabric felt. It is just like a simple white tank top, and I have plenty of these. And this one says it's $55, which I think is a lot of money for a simple white tank top. I've gotten tank tops like this for like $20, maybe even less, like J. Crew, even for like $20, $30. So I thought it was way too expensive, but like I didn't want to waste my sister's $50 credit. So this is the one that I actually kept because this is the one that I like the most. And I could wear this, you know, with other things. I could always use a white tank top. So yeah, I kept one thing, and I don't think I'll ever try Stitch Fix again. I am sorry. It's just, I know a lot of people, it works for them, and it's just not my style. And I really, really tried. I really tried to like it because it's such a good concept of having a stylist pick out your clothing for you based on your like Pinterest and your whatever you put on their survey and what you say about yourself. But I feel like they've never gotten it right. Also, I don't think, just because I am so small, I don't think a lot of clothing companies have clothes for people like me. So it's already an uphill battle clothing me. So it's okay. Alright, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like videos like this, please hit like down below. I do a lot of unboxings regarding beauty, makeup, even clothing now. So if you like videos like that, please hit subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye!